Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to properly earn loyalty points on American Airlines, and make sure you watch till the very end because what I'm going to tell you is what it says on the official website. So it could be earned by Advantage Miles Count, and some of them are any tickets that you purchase on American including the basic economy, and then all A Advantage status and cabin of service bonuses earned when flying on American Airlines and eligible partner airlines. After that, on everyday spend, base miles earned with eligible partners, and some of them will be portals, which are the American Airlines vacations, A Advantage e-shopping, A Advantage dining, which is simply miles, and then hotels, which are the American Airline hotels, Hyatt, Marriott International, ISG hotels and resorts, Marriott vacations, Rocket miles. The cars will be American Airline cars, obviously, Avis budget, Pales, you can see, and then the cruise and retails. And for American Airlines Advantage, you need to use their credit card members, and it will be like earned by credit card varying. Like the most A Advantage credit cards earn one base mile per US $1 spent on eligible purchases, but some earn 0.5 miles based on $1 spent, others 1.5 miles or 2 miles. You can see, so you need to use their cards, and basically this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.